So I know you guys have heard of Teespring, but Teespring just released something called Teespring Go. So in this video, I want to discuss what Teespring Go is, who it's beneficial for, and what you should really know about it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So recently, the past couple days since this has been released, Teespring has been sending out notifications via email. In their live chat, it pops up and sending you to this page. So this is their explanation of what Teespring Go is. So it says that you can print on unlimited product range, so all different types of products. But as you scroll down, you see that their product catalog has only expanded by only a couple items. So I was a little disappointed to see that. But then as I started going through here and rereading what it was, I really realized what Teespring Go is. So when you scroll down to the bottom of the page here, this is essentially the whole Teespring Go concept right here. So this is a form where you can just give Teespring your basic information, link to your account, and you can tell them what type of item you want to print on that they don't have in their catalog right now. So here's where you can send them, hey, I want to print on this really cool whatever you found online. They will source it, they'll find the manufacturer, they'll get it fulfilled, they'll print on it, and then they'll ship it out. So now you can send them any type of item you want to print on, and this can be completely unique, something that no one has ever printed on before. They will do the research of finding the manufacturer, they will source it, and then when you get the order through, they'll print on it and ship it out. So it's actually pretty cool. But I wouldn't recommend this for beginners. If you're someone just starting out on Teespring, I would absolutely recommend that you just stick to what they have in their standard catalog, because then you can do the mock-ups, then you have pictures of your product. I'm not sure how it's going to go with this new Teespring Go, if they're going to send you a mock-up of it or not. So we'll have to figure out how that goes as it starts to develop. But if you're a beginner, definitely just work on building up your following, building up your trust score on Teespring, promoting on social media, and getting those sales. And then once you're more advanced and you have a following on Teespring, then maybe you get into this Teespring Go and start sourcing different unique products that no one else has. But I hope that helps to explain what Teespring Go is for you guys. If you want the full Teespring course, it's linked up in the description. Otherwise, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want some more of this content, subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more coming, and I will see you guys in the next one.